In today's video, I'm going to show you how to test automations in Make so you can confidently validate your workflows before relying on them. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Start by opening your browser and heading over to Make. Sign into your account, and once you're in, click on Scenarios from the left navigation menu. This is where all your automations live, so locate the one you want to test. Click on the scenario name and that will open the scenario builder, which is your control center for designing and testing workflows. Before you run anything, take a moment to review your workflow. Make sure every module is connected correctly and that your triggers, actions, and filters are properly configured. It's also worth checking that all app connections are authorized and active. Open each module if necessary to confirm you're logged into the accounts they depend on. Once you're satisfied, click Save to ensure you're testing the very latest version of your scenario. Now find the Run Once button at the bottom of the scenario builder. This is specifically designed for manual testing, so go ahead and click it. Your scenario will start listening for trigger data, meaning it's waiting for an event to kick things off. To trigger the automation, perform the action that starts your workflow. This could be adding a row to a spreadsheet, submitting a form, sending a webhook request, or creating a new database record. Once you do, watch the trigger module in the builder to confirm it receives the test data and executes successfully. With the trigger working, observe the data as it flows from one module to the next. Successful modules will display execution indicators, so watch for those. For each action module, verify it receives the correct information. If your scenario uses filters, make sure the test data meets the filter conditions. If it doesn't, the workflow might skip a step. To dive deeper, click the execution bubble on any module. This opens detailed processing information where you can review both the input data and the output data. Check that all expected fields are present and that the module produced the correct results. Also confirm that fields are mapped correctly between modules. Finally, step out of Make and open the destination application. Check that the automation completed its task as expected, whether it's a new record, an updated field, or a sent email. For thorough testing, try it with multiple different sample inputs to see how the workflow handles various situations. If appropriate, also test with invalid or incomplete data to observe how the scenario responds and whether it handles errors gracefully. And that's it. You've now learned how to test automations in Make. Thanks for watching, and happy automating.